Hello, I'm Chris with Hilltop Trailer Sales, and I'm going to show you the operation of your pilot model and your DSI gas electric model water heater. With the pilot model water heater, after filling the system with water, you would want to take and turn the control knob to the pilot position, light the water heater, push down on the pilot button, and hold the button for approximately 20 to 30 seconds until the pilot light will remain lit on its own. After releasing the pilot button, you will turn the valve to on and set your water temperature with the temperature valve. On the electric model, you will use the switch inside the unit to either turn on the electric portion, turn on the gas portion, or both.